So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is just a beautiful afternoon here in western Pennsylvania. I am going to go do a little mowing down at my mom's place and my sister's. It's been raining all the time, but I got one nice day. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow night, so it may even be the last mowing of the year. We'll see. I'm going to check some trail cameras. If I have any good pictures, I'll post them at the end of this video. And maybe do a check on that food plot that I planted, that little fall plot. I haven't been down there in a while. And then when I come back up, daughter Eva, she's going to try out the STIHL BR 800 backpack blower. We'll see how that goes, because Eva's not really big, and it's a pretty big backpack blower, but she says she can handle it. We'll see. Well, the siphon is still running down here at the pond, and I got the water down a good 1.5 feet so far, maybe almost 2 feet. Needs to go just a little bit more, and I'll put that temporary pipe in over there that I talked about in the video the other day. You can just see that standpipe, it's plugged up. I'll also, once the water gets down below that, I'll see if I can't open that plug in there. I'm not sure if I'll be able to or not. Man, is it pretty hot. Look at that. I wish it would stay like this year round. Might have one little problem here. This is how I get down to my mom's and my sister's place. I got this all flooded out from the siphon over there. It's pretty sloppy. I don't know if the zero turn will make it through here or not, but we'll try. Check this out. There's a fish. He's still a little bass. He's still alive. I'm gonna take him out and put him back in the pond. He must have ran through that 2-inch siphon line. See if he swims. He's gone. He's all right. I thought it was dead. That had to be quite a ride going through that pipe. Here's where I get sidetracked again. All right, we'll see if we can make it through here in the zero turn. No problem. This little fall plot still looks pretty good. They've definitely been in here eating. It's just rye and turnips in here. Oh yeah, they've been all through here. Chewing it up. I got a camera over in here on a trail. I'm gonna go grab it. I'm just going to take this one down. It's been up for 2.5 months, something like that. I haven't even checked it. Well, I'm going to go mow everything up, then head back up to the house and see how daughter Eva does with the big BR 800 backpack blower.
So here's our daughter Eva. And Eva, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm 13 years old and I'm in 8th grade and I do CrossFit.
and you're good at school. Your grades are good. And you love helping around the house, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so today you're going to do what?
I'm gonna try this leaf blower and see if I can work it.
The STIHL Backpack BR 800. Okay, and how much do you weigh?
88.7.
Ooh, packing on the pounds. All right, we're going to give it a shot. Wait, I'll start it up before I start.
Okay. Is my hair gonna get stuck?
No, okay. But you can tuck it in your hood.
dog poop.
All right. Good job, Eva. What do you think?
It was easier than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, I thought you did good. You ready to do the rest of the leaves for the rest of the year?
No.
She'll warm up to it and get used to it. All right. Well, do you think someone your size and your age can definitely handle a STIHL BR 800 leaf blower, backpack leaf blower?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It wasn't that hard.
We can up our game and start giving them as gifts. All right. Well, any suggestions? Any thumbs up or thumbs down to the backpack leaf blower?
No, I think it was pretty good. It was easy to use and simple.
Yeah. You like the trigger?
Yeah.
It's kind of fun to get carried away with that when I did it. I know that. All right. Well, we're on our own with this one. There's no mic. There's just Eva and Melissa, and we'll let Eva finish.
If you enjoyed this video, share with a friend. Make sure to click the like button, comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.